Hello, guys. I hope you're doing good. This is Malak, and welcome to Capital Chain. So, today I'm going to teach you how to use Tradelocker. This is a full beginner guide, step by step. So, what is Tradelocker, you might think? Tradelocker isn't a broker, it's a platform that you trade on. It's the one that you execute your trades on after connecting it to a prop firm or a broker. Okay guys, so let me show you how to access TradeLocker. You could either go to your web and just type tradelocker.com, and it would give you the option to download it either on your phone or your laptop. Personally, I have it on my desktop. So now let's get into serious business. As you can see here, there are a lot of instruments and pairs that you would like to trade. Personally, my favorite is Euro USD. So let me show you something. Example, this is my favorite, so I would want to keep it in a different place so I can find it very easily. So right click, add to favorites, and voila, it's here. You can do it to any instrument you like. There is cryptos, there is metals, there is Forex stuff. There is a big variety, so you can do that to any instrument you want. However, if you want to remove it, there is the remove button, remove from favorites. So now let me show you how to customize your chart tools. As you can see here, there is trend line, ray, info line, and so many options. Whichever is your favorite, you could put the start on it and it appears here and it's easier to use. Let's say, example, you want to put this line right here, this line here, another one here. And you don't want to just sit there and delete each one like by itself. You can go down here, there's a trash can, and you delete everything at once. And now let's talk about time frame. As you can see here, there is so many options for time frame. Some people use 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, up till a month, weekday. Personally, I prefer 5 minutes and 1 hour. So again, to add them to your favorites, you have to click on the stars, and they will appear here next to you, so you don't have to go look for them every single time you try to see the charts. So now let me show you how to set up your chart style. All you have to do is click right, go to settings. Here's the background. You could choose whatever color you want, pink, blue, purple, whatever color suits your eyes. Personally, I'd like to keep it black for now. However, for the candles, we're gonna pick different colors for sure. Here you have a watermark, so it shows that there is what is the pair that you're using to trade. Personally, I don't like to have it. For those who already know, you guys know this is basically trading view. For those who don't, it's fine. I can walk you through it. You can literally change colors to whatever your eye aesthetic is. You can put pink, you could put blue, whatever suits you guys. And if you feel like you messed up a lot in the settings, you can just go here and apply default and it goes back to normal. Okay guys, here you can change. Personally, I love candles and that's what I use the most, and that's what most traders use. But there's people who prefer bars or they prefer hollow candles. Personally, candles is the best option for me. Now moving on to technical indicators. As you can see on the top, we have it here, and there is multiple options, and of course there is the start to add to your favorites. Let's say we want to try RSI. You just click on it and boom, you have it here on your screen. So guys, let's say you want to trade. As you can see, it's this part right here. You expand it and boom, you have it. Um, there is two kind of executions of trade. There is the market and pending. Market means you buy it with the current price that's on the market. Pending is when you choose what price you want to start your trade at. Also, you can either buy or sell. And also there is a stop loss and take profit that you can manually put. As the charts go up and down, you could say like, I want to stop the trade at this price, and you can say I want to take profit when it reaches this price. That's about it. If you want to set alerts for price notification, all you have to do is click on this plus sign right here at the price you want to be alerted of, and click on alerts, and that's it. Once it's gonna reach this part, I'm gonna get a notification. Okay guys, let me show you the trade panel. Usually when you execute a trade, it's usually in here. Here it shows no open positions because I haven't traded yet. However, usually there is your positions here, your pending, closed positions, there is balance, profit and loss, equity, and all of, margin levels. Everything is here, and usually the trade is here. So guys, I executed a trade of 0.01 lots, and it's Euro USD. I mean, I'm in profit right now, but it's just like really minimal. However, I just added this trade so I can show you how to close it. So it's really easy. If you want to close it quickly and you don't want to sell it, you could just close position like this and confirm. And voila, you got your profit, and it's closed. And obviously guys, you have to start with the demo account until you're confident. Never risk real money without testing it first.